So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today let's do an unboxing and review on this yoga mat. So let's unbox it. Let's see exactly what comes in the box. All right. It's got a piece of plastic. We're going to take the piece of plastic off. It already has the handle installed. So here's what it looks like. Let's take this off. So I like this handle is Velcro. And it's not elastic. Some of the straps are elastic and they stretch. This is Velcro. You're going to take it off. So this has got the nice logo on the front here. It is ribbed on one side and the other side is nice and flat. Thickness wise, it's not super thick, but it does roll out really nice. Let's roll it back up. Let's put the strap on. Again, then put this over here. And here we have the nice carrying handle. Let's measure it with it all rolled up. About 7 inches, and it's about 24 inches wide. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.